guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre in their Melted Hairline collection, and I will be reviewing the style Elora. So without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I will tell you if you should be picking Elora up. Let's go! Now that you watch me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about Elora. So as stated in the intro, this is a wig by Outre in the Melted Hairline Lace Front collection in the style Elora. I have Elora in the color DRFF2 Brown Sugar. Again, DRFF2 Brown Sugar. So Elora is a deluxe wide lace part with a 2x5 inch part. Elora has soft HD transparent lace. A deluxe wide lace part is pre-plucked. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. It has a pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit. It has redesigned comfort fit air contour. It has salon-inspired colors. It has natural baby hairs, and Elora does come with 3 combs. One on this side, one on this side, one in the back. The wide elastic band for a more secure fit, and adjustable straps. What do I like about Elora? The length. I like the length. Okay, Elora is my type of girl. She is just my type of girl. So okay, this is how Elora came, and this is how I style she. Yeah, I said she. So what else do I like about Elora? The lace. I really love the lace on Elora. I love the length. I love that it already comes pre-styled, pre-curled. I would say Elora is beginner friendly. She doesn't shed, she doesn't tangle. She does have just a tiny bit of flyaways, but nothing excessive. I really love Elora. Again, I have Elora in the color DRFF2 Brown Sugar. I think Elora is a great look for the wintertime with a nice white turtleneck. That's what I think. But it's too hot. I ain't wearing no turtleneck in Texas. Child, it's 70-something degrees. I'm not wearing a turtleneck. But I mean, if I were in somewhere colder, I would bust out Elora with a turtleneck, you know, make me look like money, honey. But yeah, that's just my thoughts. I really love Elora. I will be wearing Elora. Yeah, she might be in rotation. Another place, where would I wear Elora to? A girl's night out, a day at the office, or just to take some pictures, because Elora is gorgeous. She, you know, is beginner friendly, so you could just put on her and go. If you don't want to lay it down, you could just do the baby hairs just to secure Elora to the front. So yeah, so what would I rate Elora? Since she doesn't have that many flaws, just a tiny bit of flyaways, not that much to talk about, I would rate Elora a 9.5. You know, just a 9.5, because I don't have that white turtleneck to bust on and put Elora with. But if I had, she'd get a 10. So Elora, it's not your fault. It's the fact that I don't have a white turtleneck. But yeah, Elora is gorgeous, honey. Gorgeousness for Elora. So yeah, easy peasy, Elora, easy peasy. So if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like this video. Leave a comment of what you thought about Elora. Would you be picking it up or not? Do you like the color on me or not? And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next wig. Bye guys.